Welcome back to another unboxing of the Delta box. Now this is a little different from the previous unboxings because I officially do not have the box. I did do the video 3 days ago, and when I finished it, I thought I was through with it. I threw the box away, and when I tried to upload the video for you guys, the video was messed up. So here we are again trying to redo the unboxing of the Delta box, but this time it is going to be without the box. And of course I still have the products to show you. Now this is for the February box, and we already know as a theme February is Black History Month, and everything that we have in our box is pertaining to Black History Month. So let's get going with the items that is in the box. But before we get into that, I want to show you the outfit that I am wearing. This is a Delta shirt that came from the Delta box. Unfortunately, I don't know what year it was. It was not last year. It could have been the year before that or the year before that, but all I know is from the Delta box, and I do get a size medium if you guys are interested in knowing what size I do wear. So let's go ahead and get going with the first item that was in the box for this February. Now, as an FYI, like I said before, the box is pertaining to a theme, and this month's theme is Black History Month. So one of the items that was in the box was this hardcover book. When I tell you, this book is very interesting, because I'm going to tell you why I said this book is interesting, because it is all about Black history. And honey, I love me some Black sisters and brothers. And when we're talking about us and highlighting us, that does nothing but make me smile. So this is the book. Now the author of the book, child, I didn't even have my glasses. Oh, Ruth E. Carter. I am not sure if she's a soror or not, but I have not read this book, but I am most definitely going to read it. But I want to show you what drew my attention to this book. Of course, you see there is a male and a female on the box, and of course the female, she is getting ready to box, and of course the man, honey, he looks stylish as ever. But when you turn the pages of this book, look at the first thing I saw. Wakanda Forever. Yes, they show Wakanda. I don't even know what her name is, but the designs on her, the makeup, the costume by itself was amazing. And again, this book talks about all the Black movie stars, movie directors, whatever you want to call, and it is pertaining to this book. Now, I know you guys already know about School Days, baby. I love these School Days, okay? So let's see what they're gonna say about School Days. It's all talking about, okay, it was all about the sororities, the dark against the light skin. And this is one of the pictures. I guess this is the sketch that started off the designs of School Days. I don't know how, but like I said, I am most definitely going to sit down and read the book. And of course you see Spike Lee and the G's celebrating, whatever. And then you got the girls. I forgot, what was the girl's name in School Days? I forgot, but this is them with Tisha Campbell. Hey, Tisha. So another Spike Lee movie was Do the Right Thing. So again, you see what I'm saying? Everything in this book is pertaining to the Black authors, Black directors, everything that is pertaining to movies that represents who we are as an African American race. Like I said, I love us. We are amazing that we did get some jewelry. And one of the things I love about Delta is that they do love to put it in nice little things to keep it preserved. And it came in this cloth. Now Delta always send cloths with their jewelry. Here is another one, and they are hoops. Now I love hoops. Hoops is my thing, so if you want to go buy me some hoops, I'm the hoop girl. So this is the earring. This is how it looks. Let me get the other one out. Very nice. And this is how they look. They have the word Delta on it, and then it is gold. It's not the big hoops. It is a nice size hoops that you can put in your ear if you put your hair up, and I think that these are just cute. Now if they are gold plated, they may be, I don't think they will turn, because The earrings that I got 2 years ago from Delta, they still have not turned. So I think they're going to be good. I'm not sure if they're surgical, as you call for some that has very sensitive earlobes and everything. And I don't know if that's that, but we did get some earrings. So let me go to the last item. There was a total of 3 items. So this sweatshirt is what we got. Ain't this cute? A sweatshirt. It says Delta Girl, of course, our Greek letters, Delta Girl. I can see me wearing a white turtleneck if it does get cold, or a black turtleneck up under here. This would be perfect with some black cargo pants or some black slacks. But yeah, this is what came in the box. Again, everything is pertaining to Black History Month, and I am really loving the art of Ruth E. Carter. Now, this is her. I forgot to show you. I think this is her. Yeah, this is her. I have some good reads out of this book. Oh, this is so pretty. I'm excited about this book, and I think out of everything in this box, what I love the most would be this book. I can see this book being something that I can, if I had kids, I would give this to my kids as a way of learning more about Black History Month. This is a great book. If I'm a teacher and I wanted to represent something pertaining to Black History Month, and then to also represent my sisters, this would be a perfect book to educate the youth or your kids or anything pertaining to Black History Month. So I think it's the most important one to me, because most definitely it represents who I am as an African American. Okay, Delta Girl. So thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for continuing to come and watch the videos and support me. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, ding ding, so that you will never miss a video. So until the next unboxing on next month, I see you, my Suras, and have a beautiful day, and I love you. Bye.